What's going on, guys? Today I will show you how to set up a NADE training server on your computer in Battalion 1944. I created one NADE training server for each map in case you don't want to set up them yourself. You can find the IP and password of these in the description. At first you need to download the Battalion server files. You can find the link in the description. Down here you'll find the download links. If the game gets updated, you will probably need to re-download the newest version of the Battalion server files. So I have already downloaded the Windows server files and extracted them to my desktop. Next up, you need to download my NADE training package from the second link in the description, and afterwards paste the files into the server files of Battalion. So afterwards open up the run.bat with your text editor. You need to paste your external IP into the first line here. So you can simply open up the third link in my description. This page will show you your external IP. Simply paste it into the run.bat. However, this IP changes from time to time, so you may need to update it. Now update the INI name at the end of the second line. Simply write in nadetraining.ini. Next up, you need to forward some ports. So open up your browser and type in this IP in the address bar. This process differs from provider to provider, so I'm just gonna show you how I made it. So you need to log in with your account. If you haven't changed it, it's mostly admin for both username and password. Afterwards, navigate to the port forwarding section, and here you can see that I've already unlocked the 4 needed ports to UDP. You will also need to paste your local IP address in this process, so you can find it out by typing cmd into the search bar of your Windows and afterwards typing ipconfig into it, and here you can see your local IP. So next up, open up the nadetraining.ini with the text editor and scroll down to line 239. Here you need to set yourself as an administrator on the server. Simply open up the fourth link from the description. So on this page you need to log in with your Steam account. Afterwards navigate to Steam ID and copy your Steam ID 64 and paste it into the INI. If you want to add multiple admins, you can simply copy this line and add a different Steam ID in it. So that's basically it. Simply run the run.bat and the server will open. I get some error messages, which you shouldn't, however it runs fine for me even with these errors. If you see this line, it means your server is running. Now you can simply go in-game and search for BattalionTV in the server browser and find your server. To connect to it, simply type the password qwertz. You can change the name and the password in the nadetraining.ini file. So this mod is basically just a normal team deathmatch with unlimited time and 500 smokes and nades. You can change your class, however due to a bug you always need to kill yourself once to get it. To change the map you need to bind your console. You'll find the setting down the bottom in the binds tab. Afterwards type server.changemap, then the map name and then TUT. You can press tab to make use of the autocomplete. If you are playing with a friend, you can make use of the Spectator tools in Battalion. For example, you can enable grenade lines, which show the flight path of grenades, or you can press Alt to follow the flight path with your spec camera. So I hope this has been helpful to you guys. So if you have questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. If you liked it, consider subscribing and enabling the notification alert. So until next time, see you in Battalion 1944.